Hi, I'm José, Stuchi, CEO and co-founder of Phelcom Technologies. Phelcom is a Brazilian startup that mixes physics, electronics and computing to create innovative solutions for the medical area, especially for eye care. We created the Eyer, that is a portable, connected and high-quality retinal camera that can be used anywhere. This device is a main solution since it helps to prevent blindness, especially in the cases related to retinal diseases like diabetic retinopathy, glaucoma and macular degeneration. Diabetes is a big problem, with more than 400 million people living with this condition worldwide. Here in Brazil, almost 10% of the population has diabetes. This is like a chronic disease pandemic. Diabetic retinopathy is a common complication of diabetes and is the main cause of blindness in the population from 20 to 60 years old. The Eyer camera is a very practical device and can be employed in different scenarios like hospitals, clinics, remote regions, primary care and with beddriden patients. Since it's connected to the cloud, it enables telemedicine. In this situation, it's not necessary ophthalmologists in the examination place, reducing costs per screening. In 1 year in the market, almost 100,000 patients were already examined using this technology in Brazil, allowing early detect the diseases prevent blindness. But it's just the beginning. We believe that this technology is the most appropriate way to detect retinal disease in the global market, having the best quality and cost effectiveness, and it can be employed not only in Brazil, but anywhere in the world. We are democratizing the visual health with technology and innovation. Thank you.